Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com. Good morning y'all, it's Monday and the work week is starting, so I'm on my way to the office. So have you guys had a chance to think about my proposition, my idea of getting a drone for Amsterdam Video? If you haven't thought about it, or if you haven't seen the video I posted last Saturday, I advise you to do so and post your opinion over there, because I'm very curious at what you guys think about that. As for now, the weather seems to be reasonable. It's 9 degrees centigrade. There's even a bit of sunshine, so that's all pretty cool. And yep, I guess it's better weather than a work day should be. But yeah, good weather. So this is the view of the morning, and here's the intro. Well guys, with the start of a new work week, I'm going to install a new computer. And yes, it's a tiny one. It's an MSI Windbox. So it's it has all the specs. I mean, it has Windows 8, it has an Intel CPU and everything. It's pretty much a complete computer. Even though it's a bit slower than usual computers, but anyway, it's nice and tiny, and people like it. So I will be installing this one. Well, here we go. MSI. Well, someone has made an attempt to be creative. They took one of these phone extension cases, took out the phone wiring and put in Ethernet wiring. So effectively it's now a network extension thingy. But apparently they did the wiring wrong. I mean, this here plug is correct, but the other one, as you can tell, they did it upside down. Failure. Need to correct that for them. And of course, with installing a system, the system also needs to be updated. Lunch break. Yeah. Yep. Ox sausage roll. And now for a little toilet break. Oh, yeah. And after that, some washing up, obviously. And that's it for today, guys. Heading back to HQ to little Miss Jimmy. You with little Miss Chibi. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah, sweetheart. Sweetie pie. After having some lasagna for dinner, I'm now gonna have some vla as dessert. It's a vanilla milk dessert, a kind of porridge. Anyway, quite nice. Itakimasu. Ah, this is interesting. The US version of Netflix has anime, and quite a lot of it as well. Haha. Yep, pretty nice series. In the meantime, Chibi is chillaxing. Hey, Chibi? Yeah. Sweetie pie? Sweetie pie? Yeah. Silly dog. Such a silly little animal. Yeah. And well guys, that takes us to the end of today. So thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.